Oh, what's your name? What is your
What's
name?
your name, buddy? What's your name? Tell me your name.
Or Douglas?
Declan.
Oh, Declan. All right, so Declan, I'll tell you what I could do. If you extend your hand all the way out and put a fist, maybe you'll smell it.
Make it a fist, buddy. There you
Oh,
go.
yeah, don't move. Or dragon, oi. Dragon, be nice. Be nice, alright? It's alright, it's alright. Oh, raise your hand high.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Oh, you always had it. Yeah, keep going.
Put it back, put it
You're
back.
fine, you're fine.
You got to be fast, that's right.
I'll see you with you. There we go. Stay. You're perfectly fine. Stay with me, You're good. I'm here too.
Oh, that's good. You did good. That was good. Good job, Declan. All right. You know you're pretty brave. Are you in Gryffindor?
Say thank you. You want to take a picture?
Oh yeah, it's all right. It's all right. He'll be here. Here, why don't you stand right here?
Take a picture?
Yeah, stand right over here. It's all right, mate. It's all right. I'll make sure. I'll take care of you, Declan. All right.
Ready? Say cheese, buddy.
Oh, Dragon, can you say cheese? You got cheesy breath, that's for sure. Right. Has anybody got? All right, yeah. I'll be real gentle. All right, the Dragon. I'll be nice to this one. All right. It's Hufflepuff. You like Hufflepuff, don't you?
I love him.
He seems to like you. I'll be careful with the fingers. How many fingers you got?
6.
You got 6? I want you to keep it that way, alright? He really likes finger food. But what's your name? Like, he's an alpha. You know what an alpha is?
Yeah.
It's like, if this dragon's an alpha, you get too close, it might think you challenge him. So he might bite you. It'd be bad for business.
I like fighting.
You like fighting? Hufflepuff, he likes fighting? Well, it's the first for everything. Like. What about you? Which house are you in? What was it? Yeah, picture's fine. Just don't send it to the administrative manager, alright?